This is Mia. She doesn't have her diaper on, so we're outside chilling. She's kind of like a doll. Let's see if we can get her running like an actual puppy dog should. And less, pay attention to me, bitch. See? She's attention whore. She like, I love it when you stroke my belly. She loves it too much. Let that fun. Any ideas as to where this should go? Okay, cycle! Airplane! I'm an airplane! You keep following me. Can't you run on your own and make your own circle?
Guess not.
She's a copycat. She likes to be where the attention's at. She craves it more than I do. I want a ball. You get that an indestructible ball. I think it's too big to fit in her mouth.
Oh.
It seems like a hamster ball.
Mm-mm.
Okay, she's paying attention to doing her business. Wait for the last caption shot. Voila! Get the star. Mia, up, come on. We want it. Up, see? She's like, you know I want the attention, but if I roll over and show you my belly, the viewers are going to think I'm too slutty. So I'm going to stay here and look prim proper and just show off my Gumby and look at the camera. Look at the camera.